What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. If you are new here, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I know it's been a minute. It's been like I think 2 weeks since I've recorded something. So I'm super excited to be filming, and I feel like the best thing to like come back with a video is with some Jeffree Star products. And I had to get these. I had to jump on it. So yeah, thank you for subscribing and everything like that. I'm super excited for today's video because, as you can see, I got some discoloration under these eyes that I need to cover up. So let's see what this Jeffree Star concealer and powder can do to these under eyes. So let's put this stuff to the test. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and head over to my social media accounts, which are down below. So yeah, let's move on with this video. All right, Jeffree Star. This is what his concealer claims. High coverage liquid concealer formula comes in over 30 shades, which is really great. I feel like when brands are starting, you know, with products and stuff like foundation, concealer and stuff, that it's always great like when they start out with multiple, you know, concealer, different shades, and then they can start filling in those gaps where, you know, that needs to be filled. So that's awesome. Helps even out skin tone. 20% pigment that can cover tattoos. 20% pigment that can cover your tattoos. So that's pretty cool. Anti-aging properties help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And Lord knows, I got some wrinkles going on, some fine lines and stuff, and I want to cover those, or at least try to cover them. So that's cool. Increased wear time and self-setting effect keeps you looking flawless for hours. So, and this stuff is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. So yeah, let's get into what this bad boy looks like, because I haven't opened it up. All I did was open it from the box. So this is what his packaging looks like. Magicstar. It's really, really pretty. I'm super excited to see it firsthand. Let's see this bad boy. Oh my gosh. And the shade that I got was C8. Dang, this stuff looks so cool. This is what this looks like. Sorry if you can hear my dog, he's in the room with me. No, Benjamin. Wow. It's like every girl's like little, like our fantasy kind of thing. I am super excited to try this out. Alright, and then this is what the doe foot applicator looks like. It has like a hole in the middle, so all the product is pretty much in there. And let's swatch it on my tattoo, and let's see. Bitch. Girl. Jeffree. Jeffree. What is this? Hold on. Let me blend it out with a beauty blender. Let's see. What? That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see how many swipes we can do. So that was one swipe. This is 2, 3, 4. Let's turn it. 5, 6. There's 7. Like, this thing holds so much product. I know I feel so bad for like wasting that on my arm, but this stuff, it holds a lot, which I like that, because the money you're paying for, what is this? This is $22. Let me double check. Yeah, this is $22. Also, they have color correctors as well, the green and like a pink one, or like a peachy pink one. So let's go ahead and apply this bad boy to our under eyes because I'm ready. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Okay, let's do it. Hopefully this is like, let me see. It says like an olive. It's like for a light to medium olive undertone. So, and I already have my foundation on. So let's go ahead and apply this. Woo, that's super, super light. Dang. Okay. And I did order this online. I could have gone to like Sacramento and stuff, but I was working and I didn't feel like, you know, driving to Sac after I got off for work, and then what if they didn't have the shade that I wanted to get. So I really wanted to try this one. I might have to go up a few shades, possibly. It glides on like a dream. Okay, let's blend her out. I'm using the Jeffree Star Morphe sponge as well. Wow. It's super creamy. I have to like get my mirror up in there. Even though I'm wearing like contacts and stuff, your girl's still blind. I am still blind. Can't see that well. I'm gonna go in with the brush that I use for my foundation, and then I'm gonna blend the two. It's extremely light. I probably should just got a darker shade. Okay, I'm gonna go in and blend other areas like my chin. Plus I have a breakout right here, which is annoying, so let's cover her up. Let's highlight right here. A little down the nose. I love this packaging. How cute. And you can like for sure shank someone with this shit. Like, like shank someone with that. And let's go in with the Magicstar setting powder. And I got the shade Fair. And I really want to smell this because everyone says that it smells amazing. Jeffree Star said it smells like cotton candy. That's the smell that he placed. This is the packaging. Like, how cute is this? So you have to turn it to open it, and then you turn it, there's like a white slip, and then it has a peel, and you just pull it open. Super easy, because some other stuff that they had, like the clear one and the little tab is like super small, and it's a pain in the ass to like open it. So Jeffree Star killed it with that. And then with our lid, we're just gonna dump some powder. Then we're gonna use a sponge and dip that into there. And let's set the concealer. Don't inhale, don't breathe. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna let that bake on there. This stuff smells so freaking good. Like, it smells so good, but when you're putting it on your face, like, don't breathe, because that powder is just going everywhere. So yeah, it's just you're inhaling all that, but it smells so freaking good. And this is also $22. This stuff is so finely milled. It looks so good on the skin right now. Like, yeah, for real. Creasing who? Like Jeffree Star? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna finish up my face, put some lip gloss on, and I'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and wipe away this bake and let's reveal what the skin is gonna look like. So I'm using a Morphe M4 3/8 brush and let's dust away. I'm speechless. Okay, let's wipe the other side off. This stuff is so airbrushed. Airbrushed. Girl. Girl. Oh my goodness. Okay. What the heck? This looks great. Like, I am so speechless. Like, my skin looks so smooth. And, you know, I have other powders and stuff like that. Even like, I'm gonna take it there. Even the Laura Mercier powder does not do my skin the way this Magicstar Jeffree Star powder is doing my under eyes right now. Okay, let me know in the comment section what you think down below. I know starting off that color C8 was super light. I probably will go up in shades, but when you add the powder and everything like that, this is your key point where you're highlighting and you want that part to be bright anyways. So this is a really cute. We got some bronzer going on. I really like the way my skin is looking. Let me know what you think down below. Yeah, these for sure. I don't even know if I have to, like, should I just tell you guys? I feel like you already know from the way I'm acting that this is bomb. If you haven't tried it, go try it because you need it in your life if you want your under eyes to be looking flawless, smooth, what pores, like, what? Yeah, and it's $22, so that's not too bad. I mean, we spend more stuff on other things too, so go spend your $22 on this concealer and powder because it's bomb, super bomb. So this concludes my review, testing out Jeffree Star, his concealer, his powder. I want to see what else he's gonna come up with. Like, what else do you have in the lab? Do you got foundation, bronzers? What do you got? Because I need it and I want it because his stuff is just always A1. It's always so good. So yeah, let's end the video there, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will link down my social media accounts down below in the description bar. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.